So take a look at this, and it got more than 1,600 views and got about 2 of votes. So that's the potential of actually having a Quora to actually do the work for you on a complete auto pilot. What is going on, guys? This is Yo here, back with you with another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a brand new strategy that you can use to promote your CPA offers for 100% free of charge. And the reason why I said so is because we are going to be leveraging this awesome free bot to actually do the work for us for a complete auto pilot. So I'm super excited and super pumped as always, guys. If you want to learn a step-by-step blueprint on how you can set it up, stay tuned. Alright, guys, to get us started, of course you need an account with any of these CPA networks. It could be Max Bounty, Adworkmedia, CPA Grip, CPA Build, CPA Elite. So there are a whole lot of them online that you can basically register an account and of course pick an offer and start promoting that offer. So for this example, we are going to be using Adworkmedia. So to use an Adworkmedia, just go to adworkmedia.com and register an account. Is absolutely free to get started, and of course it is worldwide available. That is why I actually like the platform. So what you want to do is to hover your mouse to where it says campaign, click on all campaigns and click over to where it says email submit. So click on email submit. This is where it's going to give you all the offers related to email submit. And of course what this offers basically means is that they are offers that only require people to actually sign up with their email address, and of course once they do that you get a pay for it. And of course, as you can see, the commissions rate is around $1.33, $1.05, 98 cents, $1.30, 43 cents, $1.82. so it keeps going on. So basically it's around $1 and so on. But basically what we're going to be doing, we are going to be targeting top tier countries, because those are the countries where we get the most out of our promotion. So to do that, all you have to do is to leave this one that says email and zip submit all campaigns, click on countries and click on United States, and all conversion leave it, all status leave it, and of course all devices leave it. So once you do that, just click on filter a campaign. So once you filter campaign, it's going to give us only offers related to United States. So as you can see right now, we have some couple of gift card, which are grocery gift card, this one top Swift gift card, and of course this one survey cabin, and this one chill polite, or what do they call it, Doritos, which this one Outbank, this one Value Opinion, this one. So they keeps going on and on and on and on and on. And as you can see, majority of these offers will actually pay you $2.40, which is awesome. So if you take a look at what you want to do, guys, is to just find an offer that is related to finance, because people want money. For example, this one, click on it. Once you click on it, you can preview the landing page, and of course, as you can see, we can get paid instantly $2.40, which is awesome. And of course it only accepts United States. So what you want to do is to scroll down and copy your link. So once you copy your link, it's now time for the promotion. So for the promotion, remember, we cannot promote these links on any of these social media. So to do that, in order to get away with that, we need a landing page. How are we going to get a landing page? Well, so we are going to be using a platform called Linktree.ee, and of course, as you can see, that I also use this platform. As you can see, I have more than 492 views, and of course I've gotten more than 327 clicks, all for 100% free of charge. And of course, as you can see, there's a whole lot of offers from Clickbank, from Warrior Plus, that have been promoting, all using Linktree landing pages. And of course, if you want to take a look at, it's an awesome landing page, by the way, that you can pretty much promote any offer, as you can see. So this is how it's going to look like. So in your own case, in order to put your own link, all you need to do is to click on add new link, then it will give you an option like this, then click on the URL option and paste your own link. So for the title, you also need a title, then click on this one. For example, just go back to the offer and take a look at what the offer. So this one, it says $75 grocery gift card. So this is basically what you are going to be writing. So let me just say 75. So once you do that, that is pretty much all you need to do. What I would recommend you to do is to find like 2 offers from United States, 2 offers from UK, and of course 2 offers from any other tier 1 country, because the traffic source that we are going to be using is a free traffic source, and of course we don't know where our visitors will be coming from. But pretty much the website is actually mostly tier 1 country. So let's go back. So for example, let's say we've actually looked at 2 US offers. So what you want to do is to change the offer again and check United Kingdom. So once you check United Kingdom, click on filter, so that it will give us also an offer from United Kingdom. So remember, is the reason why we are doing this is because we cannot deep down on our traffic source, which is why we just want to make sure we have. So let's say we want to go with this one, $2, $1.40. Click on it. As you can see, this one is a UK offer. So once you copy the link, you go back to your Linktree account, you click on add new link. Once you click on add new link, click on the title and you paste it, and of course just go back and say free gift card. Make sure you put that free in caps, then go back and put UK only, so that whenever somebody visits our landing page, you'll see that yes, this offer is only for UK. And for this one too, the first one will also do US only. So go back again, choose another offer. Like I told you, make sure you have two offers. Pretty much you can have a numerous number of them. As you can see, they can keep scrolling down, but sometimes people are lazy, they don't want to be scrolling down. So make sure you have like around 6 or 5. Yeah, so go back again, choose another tier 1 country, maybe like Canada. Click on filter. Once you click on filter, you can pretty much select any of this gift card. As you can see, this one is an Amazon gift card, 90 cents. So this one, yeah, Coca-Cola, this one Amazon. So let's actually say we want to go with Coca-Cola gift card. So let's copy this Coca-Cola, copy it, go back to our Linktree account, add new link. So this one pretty much put it, then we'll say Canada. So Canada only, put your own link right here. Once you do that, then pretty much that's all you need to do. Like I told you, this is just 3 links I just added, but in your own case you are going to be adding like 6 or 5 links. So once you do that, pretty much that's all you have to do. Now if I refresh this page over right here, you see that it will change, including all the offers I added from Adworkmedia with our CPA market. So take a look at this guy, Coca-Cola Canada only, free block leaders UK only, $75 grocery gift card US only. So this is how you are going to format your own landing page. So pretty much if you have the landing page set up right here, congratulations, because you've done the hardest part of what most people don't want to do. But guys, right before we continue to this traffic source, all I want from you is to make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content like this one. So let's get right into the video. So guys, the traffic source that we are going to be using is none other than Quora.com. And don't freak out guys, because I said Quora, and the reason why is because I've actually done my own research, and of course I believe this will be a very valuable information for you. As you know, on this channel I provide the best value possible for you guys. So if you take a look at the Quora similar web statistic, you will believe with me that this strategy that I'm about to show you really help you out. If you take a look at the top 5 countries from Quora, is US, India, UK, Canada, and Australia. So what that one means is that if you are creating your own Linktree links, is to include all these offers from all these countries. And why? Because like I told you, we cannot deep down on the traffic source. We cannot control the traffic. We don't know where our traffic source is going to be coming from, which is why we need to include all these offers from these countries, so that if somebody land on our page, he will pretty much find offer related to his own country. So that is the reason behind it. And of course, like I told you, most people don't want to answer a question on Quora. Is fine, which is what the bot will actually help us to do. That is actually enough of that. So what you want to do guys is to go to Google and search on the questions that you want to answer on Quora. And the reason why we are doing that is because we want to get a content that we can literally use as our answer on Quora. Why? Because don't freak out, because we are not just going to be copying these people, rather we are going to be using their answers to rewrite these answers, and of course use them to answer our question, which is why the work of this bot will actually come into place. So what you want to do is to go to Google, click on how to get a free Amazon gift card. For example, if Amazon gift card is one of the offers that we are trying to promote, remember, like I showed you, that Quora has around 5 most popular countries which you need to focus on. So for example, as you can see, these are all gift card related book post that has to do with Amazon. So click on it so that we can actually go and through and see what they actually wrote. As you can see, this person is actually ranking #1. This is all this website that you can get Amazon gift card, and believe you me, this person is also doing CPA marketing, where he's also referring people. As you can see, he says sign up with inbox $1 and earn $5 bonus. So once I sign up using his own link, is going to get paid, and that is how the whole thing works. He has survey junkies, and he has this one, he has this one. So pretty much what we're going to be doing is we are also going to be copying this content. For example, let's say #1, this is something that we can rewrite. We don't have to actually use the bot. So for example, let's go to Quora, search on these answers, at the same time click on it, click on enter, so that it will actually bring all these questions related to Amazon gift card. So as you can see, this one, how can I get free Amazon gift card, from where can I get free Amazon Flipper and Mia gift card? So all these are questions, and if you click on any of this gift card, you also see other related questions that are related to Amazon, and of course some stuff like that. So take a look at them from this right. So as you can see, this answer pretty much has 14 answers, and if you take a look at this, I've already written an answer on these questions. So let me just click on it to see if I can view my own answers. Take a look at I wrote a whole lot of answers, and of course I redirect people to my own YouTube link, because when I wrote it, I only promoting my YouTube video. So take a look at this, and it got more than 1,600 views, and it got about 2 of votes. So that's the potential of actually having a Quora to actually do the work for you on a complete auto pilot. So now it's, as you can see, is a proof that I actually do this method, and of course, which is why I'm trying to show it to you people. And of course, I didn't just sit down and wrote these things myself. I grabbed them from other places, and of course I rewrite them, and of course I post them. And when I even done it, I didn't even have the chance of knowing this bot. So in your own case, like I told you, we are going to copy, let's say for example, we want to copy this one. So the bot that we are going to be using is called quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is basically a bot that will actually check your standard, your fluency, your creativity, your format, your shorting, your punctuations, and some stuff like that. But pretty much what we want to use it for is just to paraphrase our sentences. So for example, we want to paste our content. So this is it with inbox $. Just click on paraphrase, and of course it will paraphrase this stuff for us. So it will actually do the work for us. So as you can see, it's doing its own job. So once it finish, smart treasure, click on any word, delete it. So as you can see, it says with inbox $, the one we just copied, inbox, with inbox $, you earn money for small taxes like taking online surveys. But this one said, the one that we are going to be using, it says you can earn money with inbox $, by doing simple tasks like taking online surveys, watching videos, simple browsing, and searching the internet. By simply signing up, you'll get $5 welcome bonus. It's no brainer. Really, one of my favorite aspects of inbox $, is their community. So it's totally different from these people's answers. But the reason why we are doing it, because we don't have some of these people actually pay freelancers to write these things for them, but we don't have money. We are just getting started, which is why I want to use this method. So pretty much once you have your content that you want to use, copy it. Once you copy it, then you go to Quora. So go back to Quora, go and answer the question. For example, this is my own questions. So let me just take a look at this one. Remember, the way you are going to format it, you are going to format your own answers just like these people. Write something like #1 Amazon from inbox $, or just #1 you can get gift card from inbox $. But remember, you are not going to leave inbox $ link, rather your own landing page link. So this is what you're going to be doing. So paste your own answer that you copy from Quillbot. So pretty much that's all you need to do. And the best part about this is that once you can write an answer that is much more than these people that are ranking #1, as you can see, this one pretty much has a very long answer, and this he got about 170 views. So this is something that you can also do, and these images are free for you to use. As you can see, he's promoting a Google site link. If you click on this one, it's pretty much doing a CPA marketing, and if I click here to continue, he will be redirecting me to an CPA offers, guys. So guys, it's all came down to you taking action. It's even an Adworkmedia link. Oh my goodness, guys, it's even an Adworkmedia link. So which is simply means, as you can see, I have to find our question hour. So this is the CPA questions which I have to go through before I can get this gift card that this person is actually promoting. So as you can see, it's pretty much free to do, and of course he doesn't get a ban from doing so this is basically how you are going to be doing it. Go back to this blog post, copy number 1, use Quillbot to paraphrase the sentences, and of course go back to your Quora and start answering these questions for complete autopilot. Each and every answer point you made, put an image to it. You can find these images on Google. Just search on Google and search on images so that your answers will actually stand a lot, just like this person. As you can see, it's pretty like 4 images. This one, this is also another person's answer. Amazon gift card, as you can see. So you got about 19 views. So that's basically how you are going to be doing it, guys. Remember to have like some of the top tier countries, some of the 5 most visited countries of Quora, which is UK, US, India, Canada, and of course Australia. Find those CPA offers from Adworkmedia, create a Linktree link for them, have your landing page set, and of course specify the country so that when somebody visits your own country, you can they know which one is targeted for them, and of course from there you get the best conversion possible. So this is the only way we can optimize our traffic, because we cannot control Quora traffic. So the second one is to go to Google and type on that particular answer that you want to answer with related to your various gift card. Type that answer, copy those answers. You'll use Quillbot to actually paraphrase those answers, and of course use them to answer on our Quora platform. By this chance, you actually not only having your answers on Quora, but you can also rank on Google. So that's pretty much what I have for you in today's CPA marketing tutorial. I hope you did get some value out of it. All I ask from you is to make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you need a content like this one. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.